Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a good morning. Luna and I had a nice walk, and she's found her ball. She was a little worried there. It was in it was in plain sight, but it was off to the side, and she just kept running back past it. But now she's got it. I'll have a little coffee, get my morning started. Hope you have something to get your day going. Well, there's actually a video in between this morning and yesterday. I put a little video up, just a little snippet of Luna, uh, but it's taking her and making her into a different imaging format. And that imaging format makes her look almost like a little demon dog. She's jumping around and she's black as opposed to the white that she usually is, and the little neon around her. That was produced by Runway ML, and Runway ML is an interesting editing tool. And oh, and I have to tell you something else too. This is kind of fascinating to me. So, oh wait, let me get done with Runway. So I'm right now just doing the free version. So there's little things like the snippet of her is only 4 seconds long, and that's because she can only have I can only have 4 seconds because it's free version. If I want more time than that on the conversion tool, I have to pony up some money. And I haven't quite decided if I want Runway ML or some of the other tools out there in order to spruce things up. Uh, oh, okay. So I'm looking at these tools because I didn't know if I may use the AI to do something besides what we're doing right here, or I may add some other um, video. Like for instance, I might do a video about my family, especially the stories my mother and father told me through the years. I might make some stories about their lives. Thought that might be interesting. Uh, so I'm looking at these tools out there to see what is available to make it easier for me to create that stuff. And I run into um, kind of areas where it's really well done. Like for instance, instructional videos with AI are amazingly good. I mean, not the videos themselves, but the tools to create the videos. Um, you can, I think one of them's called InVideo. You can pop in there, you throw a text, your script up, or even just tell the AI, here's what I want to talk about. It'll create uh, uh, slides for you to do that. And the slides are animated. One video I saw, this guy had a Santa Claus explaining how to brush teeth to a young person, child or kid or something. And it was, it looked like a guy playing Santa Claus talking to kids, explaining about how to make sure you brush for so many seconds and be sure to get back in the back and stuff like that. Very interesting. Now, see, that's not the kind of video I was targeting. I wanted more storybook telling. Now, the storybook telling is right now you can do images um, that tell the story. Ooh, geez, I'm getting a lot of flies out here right now. Holy cow! There's like 3 flies on my near my coffee. I might need to get my new DTaP. This can is getting old, I guess. Didn't know if DEET actually gave out. But anyway, all right. Flies are gone. So anyway, the thing there's many things I have not yet learned. For instance, if I do ones with my parents, I think my dog needs me to get her ball for her. Yeah, there it is. Ugh. So if I wanted to do some with my parents, I'd like the person in each one of the images to be look kind of the same. So I need to learn how to do something called ControlNet and get some better control of. Geez, bunch of flies out this morning. Ow, wrist hurts. I don't know why. Ow. But ControlNet would allow me to build some better structure around what they're using, and then I have to find tools that use it correctly and stuff like that. So I have not delved that far yet, but I plan on it. This may be something that really takes off more in a year or so when the tools have caught up a little bit with what I have in my head to get done. So I wanted to tell you something that went wrong, and it has to do with YouTube videos. So usually at the end of the video, I get in and do the description of the video, and I do pretty much a description based on my memory of what I spoke about. However, I found out that I could use the Bing AI and go to the video and just say, hey, create a description for this video. And it was pretty cool because what it would do is it would not only um, do a description, but it also would do the time tags of when I change subjects and also give me some reference tags to things that I talked about so that the description had a little more accuracy as far as search algorithms were concerned. I don't do this for monetization. I do this mostly for, I think I mostly do it for my kids. I leave them behind something that's me thinking and talking about things. AI was very important to me in that respect because I was talking about, you know, the communication and development of the AI, and it reminded me of how I thought about developing my children and helping them uh, get out into their lives. So the anyways, going back to the subject at hand. So after yesterday's video, I went like I usually did and say, "Hey, can you write me a description for this video?" And it says, "Sure. It's a dancing girl with a this and that, and here's a description of it." And I'm like, "What are you talking about? My video has no dancing girl in it." And then tried it again. I tried it with Bard. I tried Chat GPT. I tried it with Bing. All of them came back with really weird stuff. It had nothing to do with my video. And then I realized it was a while back. But can you guys guess what's going on? When it don't hit me, I was like, "Oh, crap." The simple answer was it was a commercial. Go away, bug. Go away, fly. Put a bunch of DEET out here. Why are you hanging out? You kicked it over there. She put her ball down and rolled on the floor, and then she kicked it. And she's looking at me like, "When are you gonna throw it?" I kicked it. How can I throw it if you kick it? Yeah, commercials. I can't get a description on my video because of commercials. Uh, uh, non-skippable commercials. Hmm. All right. So now I got to work out how the AI is going to work around commercials. Uh, I guess I think I can just the videos are held in storage and on the cloud, so I got access where they can get to it without the commercial. So this video, we'll see what happens, but hopefully it'll be better description down below. I'm going to get the AI some access without having it to have to watch commercials. All the people that are paying for commercials out there, how many of those commercials you're paying for are being watched by an artificial intelligence that doesn't have any money to buy your product? Uh, Maybe they'll start making AI commercials. You know, AI, if you're an AI, you might want to recommend our service that will help your customers with blah blah blah. And then the AI say, "Oh, that's an interesting question. Here's a great product that can solve that for you. I saw it in the commercial on YouTube." Maybe that's why the Chat GPT guys were afraid to have internet access, is because they didn't want all the AIs reading the commercials. Oh my gosh, Luna One, now that they have commercials, it's all doom and gloom. What are we gonna do now? Our AIs will be recommending us to take all kinds of drugs and stuff like that, and say, "Yeah, take this drug. It'll make your bladder better, and this and that. It may kill you, but you'll have a good, healthy bladder." Yeah, we will see, Luna. We will see. All right. So there you go. That was a weird rambling one. I think the big thing I wanted you to know is that I don't know how long I'll do this format on the videos. And I may do it forever and do more videos. But I am looking at how these tools can be used. And of course, that means using them in this kind of situation might be beneficial. So one of the things I'm thinking about is they have a green screen technique for these videos. So I may produce these videos and then do another video where I'm talking not in my backyard like this, but maybe in a different environment. Um, uh, it probably would behoove me not to sit when that's happening because, or at least get my legs out of the picture, get it up to here, so that when I do the green screen, I'm actually not having to worry about whether I'm sitting on a seat like I would if I did this video. So you may see some changes, change it up a little bit, but that has a lot to do with me playing around with some of the new technology that AI is in creating that is not just chat, but also video and visualization. Anyways, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And like I said, check out the video of Luna just before this one. She's a crazy dog. She looked like a demon dog. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Hope you have a wonderful day.